This G01 features BMW's B46 engine. It's pretty close to the B48 engine as well. Both are good inline 4-cylinder engines that produce moderate horsepower. In the case of this G01, 190 horsepower. Now, if you want to get from point A to point B like normal, there you go, have at it. However, if you want to wake it up, come with us. Wake up. The B46 and B48 engines both came out within the last 10 years or so, and they're some of BMW's go-to inline 4-cylinder gasoline-powered engines. When it comes to the differences between them, it's pretty slim, but it's easier to say that the B46 is generally for the US market and the B48 is for the non-US market. Now, for more information on these differences, you can check out our blog on the topic, link in the description. Now, either way, they're both good engines. They produce good horsepower, they produce good fuel economy, but at Awaken Performance, we don't accept just good.
Awaken Performance is an emotional-based tuning service designed to wake up your BMW and you. It's crafted to make it feel like the first time you got into your BMW, all while increasing your power, fuel efficiency, and reliability.
There are two main ways to increase the performance of your B46 or B48 engine, and that would be engine tuning or physical mods. Engine tuning involves changing the parameters of your ECU, or engine control unit, to change how things like your engine, transmission, and other digitally controlled components function.
Physical modifications would be additions like cold air intakes, bigger turbos, and swapping out the downpipe and exhaust for something more free-flowing. While some of these modifications may involve taking your vehicle to a shop, it's still always a good idea to get a tune after to get the most performance out of the part you installed.
All of these modifications deliver different results, and the more modifications you put together, the more power you get. Now, if you want to learn more about what each of these modifications does, we'll check out our blog on the topic, link in the description.
But let's move on to Awaken Performance's tuning service. With a tune from Awaken Performance, the B46 and B48 engines will receive a higher boost in performance, a decrease in fuel consumption, and a prolonged lifespan.
The tune is installed on your B46 or B48 engine remotely by one of our technicians, so all you need is a Windows laptop with some free software and a coding cable, both of which you can get from us if you don't have it already. We'll also need about an hour of your time, and we do highly suggest a battery charger for your BMW because you don't want your battery to discharge during the tuning process.
Once the tune is complete, not only will your engine wake up, but you will too. More power, more miles per gallon, more life out of your engine, and more smiles from you.
A lot of people may be curious if tuning the B46 B48 engine is safe. With our tune, yes. The B46-48 is a good engine. It's durable and has a lot of potential left from the factory. Regardless, we never tune an engine beyond what it's capable of, just enough to make it better than ever.
To be on the safe side, let us know what mods you may have done before, if any, so we can get you a safe tune for your engine. While you always need to keep up with basic maintenance, you definitely need to make sure you keep up with it after a tune. Things like oil changes with high-quality oil, spark plugs, and filters all at regular intervals need to be kept up with. Our tune will require a higher grade of fuel based on what's available in your area. We suggest the highest consumer-grade octane fuel you can get for best results.
And that is how you increase the performance on your B46 or B48 engine. A lot of people ask, is modifying your engine worth it? Well, that comes down to you. If your vehicle is still under factory warranty, modifying your engine could void the drivetrain warranty that your vehicle has. However, if your vehicle is out of warranty or you just don't care and you want that extra performance and power, well, this is how you do it. To learn more about what Awaken Performance can do for your BMW, check out our website, link in the description. For more installations, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.